Hello everybody, hello. It's me again, your sister, your friend, Lady Jill. And if you have not subscribed for my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more videos, you will be the first person to know. And if I have subscribed before, thank you and God bless you. My people, I want to talk about one topic where be say, I always advise our ladies and they advise them, make they always they behave well, make they not they let some men they use them. You understand? Okay, see this one now. This my lady, he say she married him with this man. They marry for Nigeria. They go Nigeria, go do their traditional marriage. Excuse me. They go Nigeria, go do their traditional marriage. They do everything. The marriage and say swear. You know all those our tradition swear we be say they go use to say swear we be say Benin men they always they do that thing where they go use their wife taste. I don't know about other tribe, but I know say Benin they do that thing. They go use to say swear we be say you know go feel look outside. You know go feel shit on your husband. The day you go think I maybe shit on your husband. Maybe something fit happen to you. Benin they call am a even war. So I don't know what another tribe they call am. So now they use this woman to do. He says so when they can't come back, this man can't change. This man can't they misbehave. He said the man they always they sleep outside. They carry different women. So she don't know how she want to go about her life again. The thing just tire her. She just did there, they die in silence. All the name of marriage. Who say I go say she dey happy for her marriage, whereas no happiness. She not get one happiness for her marriage. She go just dey there. They die in silence there. You say never know anyone wakana because of that swear they use until swear. You see, okay, why they not they use men they swear that swear be only women? Why they not they use men too? You see, so she now, you know even know how you want go about her life now. Okay, maybe they even he say so now I'm cutting us. Okay, what do you want now? He say he just tired. He not just know what she want do. The marriage, it don't reach here. It don't tire her. The marriage just tire her. So she now they tell the man now say okay, I want to go return the bad price. I don't need this marriage again at all. He said the man say na lie. Say she not get one right. Where she will say, but she remember say they use that to swear. And if she say she don't need this marriage again, then the woman go pay him. The woman go pay him money before they go separate. My people, when I don't see hear that one before, when woman will come see payment before the woman will say no want marriage again. I never see hear that one before. When she tell me, I say, you pay the man first. I say, I don't understand. I wear that one for the come. He say, no. He say the man say must pay him before anything. You must pay him. That is I don't understand. How would not they jam all those kind of men? Maybe when you date this man now, you go able first see the character. Now they always they talk. Maybe you first know, say this man, I saw it be you feel say maybe it go change if you don't marry. A man wey do bad, he already bad. He can never change. Who do bad, he do bad already. It take by the grace of God for him to change. That is if we have the fear of God. If you don't get how you go deal with man for house? The man go they shit on you. They do everything. They do different things to you. You see they disturb God. They pray to God. Say it will change. Every day you just pray. It will change. Heaven help those who help themselves. First help yourself first before God go help you. Okay, there is one when I know that time too. We be say the husband self not they even they stay house. He know they even that is this woman just they die in silence. All the name of it just they pretend to herself. all the name of marriage, but she herself know the marriage is not working out. She is not happy, but she just did there. They pretend to herself. They feel say everything dey okay. Who see am go think say everything dey okay with her? Maybe if she dress, whereas she just did there. They marriage, they pretend. Who know even the marriage better pass her, because that her own and not looking like marriage again. But she did there. Now she go to tell you. Now she go even the month. Now go share pass for marriage. Now she go to tell you pass the marriage too sweet. Whereas if you now know what she dey pass through, you yourself, you go married. If you were never married, you go even the fear to marry. When you go see what some kind of women they pass through for their marriage. Marriage with happiness, no dey. Marriage where man go there outside, go there happy. If you reach his house, he not go there happy. Marriage where be say man go there sitting room, you know go sleep bedroom with your wife, you go sleep sitting room. Marriage where be say woman go there go dey beg your husband to sleep with him. You go dey beg your husband, say I beg today, I beg, I still want me, you still touch me. The man go say no. But he get guests for our side when he did one with. Some men they self, they not they even play with their wife the way they play with their side chick for our side. They don't they play with their wife like that. They prefer that side chick with their side. They go they enjoy themselves with that one. The one with their house go they die in silence. He go come like that one touch and go say not tired. Say I beg, I dey busy, I beg. Work when I work today. I really tired. Whereas no work, oh. You don't go work with your girlfriend for our side. I been at the one where be say he go they work. They go give an off for work. He go lie to your wife, say a lie, or say they don't give an off. Say in the they call him for work, say may income. Whereas now your girlfriend house, now they go. There is one way happened that time too, when the man in Italy, he go greet his friend for UK. As he go greet his friend for UK now, he tell his friend say, if your friend come for work, he could just dey ask. Now he can't tell his friend say, we not get bar for you, we not get Afro shop for you. Now your friend comes tell and say, they get, but anything. He said because how you just come for work, you just dey ask. For Italy, you know this dey ask like this. So if you come for work, in they enjoy yourself, or in they go out, or so the man can say, I bet we get Afro shop for you, but you know they even get that kind of time to go, you know, because this man I bring your wife for Nigeria. So him with your wife, they ask together. He said so now you can. Because UK they always live responsible. Now let some of Italian men then they always do that thing. You understand? Now then they always do that way. Be say they believe say woman, if they just marry woman, I say how she's supposed to stay. You're not supposed to go out again at all. And they believe say they feel go shoot on their wife go still take them back. You understand? Because now their mentality for Italy there. So he said now you can't carry see the way Italian man want to go spoil a UK man. No. Now you can if friend can take and go their Afro shop for there. So you can go the toast woman for there. Now you got tell the friends, so you don't get girlfriend for our side. So you could just come for work. You just say supposed to get girlfriend now. We will still go the meet. That's what I got say for UK, yeah. They don't they behave like that too. They always they responsible to their wife. Oh. Now you say now what for you? Come in, may you carry one girl, may you just get you. They lie to your wife, say, did they, because they don't they give you off for your work. Because say yes, because about that off, it is until they stay with your wife. Then they help them too for house. He said no, make the woman, make the guy, they make it teach man, you go till they do him. He said if you get off, make the lie to your wife, say you get say they call her for work. And the friend can say, okay. No problem. Now you come toast one girl. You come begin the date girl for there. As Italian man now, he don't spoil the man finish, you can come out. The man now, you know say man will never fair shoot leg for outside before. If you can't start him, the thing go to shack him like a person will drink. Now you can go outside. As you go outside now you can begin to follow this girl. You can follow him. Anytime he day off, you go lie to the wife, say they call and say, may you come work. Every time the wife say, you know, they even call help me again, only one. This your off, the name be they happy. You sit there with the children for us. Everybody will sit there as you see help me. Eh? He said no, they call him. And the woman say, okay, no problem. Then the one day, the thing can't be too much. And the woman can call him. Say, you can't call a working place. Say, on another day, even because I ain't want to talk to a husband. Then they tell him, say, your husband, he don't come work today. Today na off day. And the off day, they always the day house. So they not call and say make you come work. And I said, no, your husband not there. So your husband tell and saying they go work. Because see, even they surprise say, he off day one after they give him before, now they give him again. So he's surprised. Then they tell and say, no, they always they give him me off. There is no time when they tell and say make you come work. They always a day house for you off. Then the woman tired. And then when he come back, and the woman tell her, say, where you go? And then you hold on. Then the man begin. You know, say, man, I would never be shit on the wife before. Come begin to beg. Say, not be fault to either get a girlfriend for her side. Now, that man, that your friend will come that time, I deceive him. He don't know, I beg. And the woman say, lie. As I tell you, so that marriage, he break. The woman say, lie. He know they marry again. Now so the woman, now so they take come on. No say UK women don't tolerate nonsense. Not be like Italy, where be say the man. They even call the man, tell him, the man wife for Italy. They call him, tell him, say see what his husband do. He just only quarrel with his husband small. You see, take your husband enter house because you know say Italian women they not to get a choice. You see, they can enter house. But that UK, he say lie. She say lie. In with the man today, they not there again. Or because of what the Italian man go do. Now they see. So women make una not dey marriage wey be say you know they happy. Nothing like happiness for this world. Nothing like say somebody they happy. If you dey marriage, you know they work out. You don't pray, disturb God tire. God not go rest again, or because you marry. God not go rest again, or because you marry. Every day you go dey pray. You no want let God rest again at all, or because now you marry pass for this world. Eh? So our ladies, make una they receive sense. So say this one now with the reason this way now. You don't know how you want to go about her life now. This way, it must well return that. They must return that cost before she will feel leave the man. They must return her. Make it not go affect her later. Because she not go feel say she want go shit now, or maybe she come up for the marriage now, go follow another man. You don't know how you want waka. So my people, I beg, Mona advise her how she go waka for her life. So Mona advise her, she really need advice, no insult. I beg, Mona advise her. Mona tell her how she go waka, how she go about her life. You know, even man we go look this video, see advise your fellow men. Make that they behave well to their wife. Your wife is your wife. Mona say they advise them. I beg you will be man. We go look this video later now. They talk to. I beg advise your fellow men. Make that they behave well to their wife. Your wife supposed to be your queen. Supposed to be your everything. Supposed to cherish your wife. Even my own couple, I always tell people, if you get woman through me, make sure say you take care of her. Make sure say you they cherish her. You understand? I don't need the one we go they beat woman. No, we don't need them. The one we go they suffer woman like ask girl for us. No. Sometimes man is supposed to help your wife. You even know what it takes to take care of children. If you get off for work, you just not to help your wife that day. Help her. A woman, your wife not be slave. Help her sometimes. You see, help am do something for house. ah, my wife, what I go help you do? You help and wash plate, not be say you don't be a slave. No. Now your wife. You know if you help another person, but if you help your wife too. You help and go bring children for school, not be your children too. Now your children too. You see help her. Now your children. You help her bath children. Now your children too. But some men they take this thing like say maybe now only woman supposed to do one. Not be only woman. You help her go buy something for supermarket. Now your house too. So you be your husband and another person that should go say me help and do not be you. So but some men they take this thing like say now only woman supposed to be slave. Now only woman supposed to do everything. No. Husband, help your wife too. She need you. Eh? So now the marriage they work. Not be say only woman go just they do everything. No. You know they work like that. Eh? I beg our men. Make una the help on our wife too. Yeah, I beg. I mean you know the shit on your wife. Your wife is your wife. Your wife need you. You don't need you. Say me you can't just leave her like that. Me she just this house, they die inside like they die. Thinkness we keep person, eh? I wanna know. Thinkness if we keep person. Thinkness. Depression they there. Eh? I beg. Mona they behave well to our wife. So thank you everybody. And wife, they behave well to your husband too. They behave well to your husband, they respect your husband too. So thank you everybody and take care. And I remain Lady J, and subscribe for my YouTube and like my video too. So thank you and share this video for me. Thank you and God bless you people. Bye.